Hi, I'm Randy Schwerdt. We've been in the club since 2011, where we joined, and this is my wife, Vicki. We've done several events. One of them was the Cornbread Festival, and we've done a couple of those. And now we are over here in Fall Creek Falls area in conjunction with the Strawberry Festival, then a Waterfalls Tour trip up to Rock Island State Park, and then up to Burgess State Park for the different waterfalls in those locations.
There you go.
Great. It's been about a 150-mile trip so far, and we've still got another 100 miles to go back home.
We spent the night at Fall Creek Falls and kind of explored that state park. My feeling about the tours is that I love owning a Model A, but it's the best thing is to be inside a Model A driving the back roads. We always say it's the journey, not the destination, but we've had some great waterfalls this trip, so even our destinations have been great.
As far as organizing and doing one of these trips, it's more work than I think a lot of people are willing to take on. For the most part, it's really gone quite well, I think, and most people are complimenting and thanking me for what I've done.
My part in doing this was just saying, it's gonna be okay, dear. You're doing a great job. So,
Okay.
it's been pretty easy for
Good.
me. As far as social, I think this is one of the best social things we can do is the tours. Because you get to meet people one-on-one, have more time talking to them. This way you get to meet them.
This is what I tried to do with this Strawberry Festival / Waterfalls tour, and get in the car and go. And we've enjoyed that.
Nothing's better than traveling the back roads in Model A.